Open the Spotify app and tap Your Library. Find the playlist that you want to change the picture for and open it. You will see a 3-dot icon below the playlist name. Tap it. This will open a menu with several options. Tap Edit. Tap Change Image. You will now see options to either choose a new image from your photo library, take a new photo, or remove the playlist image entirely. If you tap Take Photo, Spotify will open your camera for you to take a new picture now. If you tap Choose from Library, Spotify will open up your photo library to allow you to select an image. Once you have your new image, save in the upper right. Click Your Library on the left-hand side, and then click Playlists at the top. Find the playlist that you want to change the picture for and open it. You will see a 3-dot icon below the playlist name. Click it. Click Edit Details. Hover over the playlist picture and click Choose Photo. This will open a window for you to find a picture that you want to use. Once you find the photo, click Open. Click Save.